Hello everyone, and welcome to our educational course on neurofield theory. So first of all, I'm Davide Momi from University of Stanford, and I'm co-organized this workshop with Dr. Risha Fogat from University of Newcastle, Dr. John Griffith from KCNI of Toronto, and also our supervisor is Joanna Cabral, who is actually cannot be part officially of the committee because she's giving like a keynote talk, but she always involved in our workshop. So first of all, welcome to everyone to OHBM. It's, as you might know, like this is a very neuroimaging based community, but especially like lately has been quite focused also on brain modeling, and we have been running this course. So my role here is basically like to just guide you to our lineup of speaker when basically I'm, representing like the ferryman, like Aronte, and guide you like to the inferno of, neurofield theory and, brain modeling. This is like basically just say we have been running this workshop in the last couple of years at, the previous edition were mainly based on, connectome-based mass modeling. And this just to show you that for those who are not attending like the previous courses that we run is very much hands-on base. When if you go to the link, so those are the previous website and everything has been developed in the collab. So also like the notebook of the previous edition are there, and everyone can run the code, and and that's basically what this edition is gonna be as well. So we have a website. So first of all, if you scan this QR code, is gonna go to like a website, which I actually can, I think, show you right now. So if you go here, this is gonna open like our website where you can have take a look at the schedule and the program, and also like you also, as I was saying, you have access to the previous edition notebook when you have like the 2023 course and 2024 course, and also if you click here, it's gonna give you access to the notebook of today, and this is for hands-on session. So if you wanna take a look during the break or like right now, feel free to do it. And we also have a chat on Slack to just still connected with the community, and also like hang out after this workshop. So for those who are not familiar with Google Colab, this is just a glance of how to set up things. It should be quite straightforward. So if you click on the link that I showed you before, it opens the folder G Drive, and then you double click on every notebook, and it should open basically like a Colab. And you don't need to install anything on your own laptop. So that's the session is going to open automatically, and you can run the code without installing anything on your machine. And as I was saying, we have two hands-on sessions. For the morning one is going to be more theoretical, and the afternoon one is going to be more cognitive and clinical related. So with this being said, as I was saying, the previous edition were based on connectome-based neuromass model. When with the as you might familiar with, we are basically dividing the cortex in several regions and several nodes, and we model the activity like in a kind of discrete way. And everything comes as a function of the connectome and the structural connectivity. But in this edition, we actually want to explore more like the continuous modeling and the neural field theory. And this is just and we, yeah, that's fine. It's and yeah, just to take a look at the full program, our lineup, I think it's great, and we have an expert in the neurofield theory kind of framework, and very inspiring people, especially so just want to say a shout out to the speaker that basically agreed to be part of it, and also like we have a shout out to the TA. So for every question that you have during the hands-on, you can just raise your hand, and we are gonna try to fix any bug that is gonna be in the code. Hopefully not. With this being said, I just wanna say have fun, and I'm gonna introduce the first speaker, which is John Griffith. So John Griffith is an estimated cognitive and computational neuroscience and director of Griff Lab. He got like a scholarship, a prestigious scholarship at the University of Sydney School of Physics when he collaborated with Professor Peter Robinson. And after that, he moved to Toronto and he started his new lab at KCNI and CAMH, and he joined as a scientist and assistant professor. He has a strong expertise in multimodal neuroimaging data analysis, scientific computing, brain stimulation, and large-scale brain dynamics simulation. And so with this being said, I will leave it to you, and